G'day. Today's part is made out of timber. It's just a wooden roof peg. Now I have no idea what it was used for. Haven't a clue. And there were only 4 of them. I can only imagine it went in each corner of a rectangular piece of roof. Here's a simulation of the part being made. That's just a program halt there so that the part can be pulled out to the tool. I decided to only remove this front piece enough to put the groove in and leave the rest of the timber there so that it didn't deflect too much when the parting tool was making the groove. And then I probably actually programmed this as if it was aluminium or brass. The cuts look as though they were suitable for brass or aluminium. That pause is just to run some sandpaper over any sharp edges that came up. They weren't bad actually. There was almost nothing there to worry about, but as I'd put the pause in, I rubbed a bit of sandpaper over the sharp corners anyway. And it worked quite well. After the pause, all I have to do is push a button on the pendant and the machine carries on with the rest of the program. And although there was a program pause, the spindle was still running because I hadn't told it to stop. There's the cuts that I programmed in. They're probably not much more than I would have programmed in for aluminium. Bring the parting tool round to put that groove in, cut the radius, done. Then bring the turning tool back. That's an aluminium insert in there. I wanted something as sharp as I could get, and they're about as sharp as they come. It's amazing how easy it is to cut yourself on one of those, and you wonder where the blood's coming from. You don't even know you've done it. That's the finish of the turning. I suppose I should try doing more wood turning. As if rubbing the sharp edges off. They weren't bad. There was no furriness or anything to worry about. And we put a chamfer on and part it off. There's the chamfer. Part it off. Job done. And that's what the finished roof peg looked like. Thank you for watching.